How to use Google Sheets for project management. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, open Google Chrome on your laptop or PC and make sure to log into your Google account. Now click on the option of Google Sheets from here. Once you're over here, click on the option of Template Gallery. Then you can find different templates over here. Scroll down and find the category of Project Management. Here, you are able to find different templates related to project management. There are templates such as Project Timeline, Project Tracking, Event Marketing Timeline, Attendance, Gradebook, Assignment Trackers, and much more. Click on whichever template that works best for you. Once you're here, you have different columns over here such as task name, description, start date, due date, status, priority, progress, and much more. You want to make all the necessary changes and edits over here. Populate the spreadsheet with your project task, detail, and relevant information. You can add tasks, assign them to team members, set deadline, and track progress. You can also use filters and sorting options to customize how you view and manage your project data. You can filter tasks by status, priority, assign team members, and much more. Utilize Google Sheets formulas and functions to automate calculation and derive meaningful insights from your project data. Share your Google Sheet project management spreadsheet with team members and stakeholders by clicking on the Share button. Schedule regular reviews of your project management spreadsheet to assess progress, address issues, and make necessary adjustments to keep the project on course. And this is how you can use Google Sheets for project management. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.